All right, guys, let's work on. So we've got this working now. And now we can, so we've got the up and down working. Okay, let's look at the legs now. Okay, so let's see. Let's select this and go to our tool. Okay, that's pretty cool, arcs, right? And what we want to do, so down, down. Now we can go frame by frame, you know, and we can just kind of start shaping the leg. You know, maybe it's pushing off here, pushing back that straight line. So if we look now, so you're kind of getting that ease and then straight out again. I would even, I would say here, we could even rotate. Just carry that, even have that back a bit. You know, so you're getting that flop kind of coming. Not obviously not too much. And then we get here. Could push it out a bit here. Okay, and now what we can do in the front view, this looks all right, man. This one, as you can see, it's quite far away from this line, this foot. You can see there's a distance here. But this one seems close. So what we can do, we can just go to the X here. I'm just going to move all of this. So you can just move it, you see? So you can move it. Where's it gone? So I select it all, translate. Yeah, see, you can move it. So we'll do that. We'll move it until it's a bit closer. But what I like to do is just add a little bit of a curve so it goes in an arc. If you look in the top view, we'll just delete that motion trail, add it to this one. You can see that arc, right? So there's an arc, and then it comes back, straight back. So it's not a big arc. You can make it a bit bigger if you want. Yeah. And then you can also rotate if you wanted to take it a bit further. But you're just getting that nice arc. Which I still think we could bring in a little. Yeah, you can see that little bit of movement there. There, right? Because I got that one step. If you look here, there's a bit of a slide. That's because it goes down. We want to move this key here. So when the foot goes like that, it's matching the same as that bit. So again, you can play it. You can just move these out a bit. You know. See, you've got that little curve happening, and then the same on the other side. So we'll come here, delete that curve, go on the other side. and when the foot's in the air, yeah, so I would say from there just have a curve going out. Okay, and then you come to the front here. Same thing again, you see when it lands, there's a bit of movement. So you come in here, check it out. Okay, let's just ease these in. Come here. Bring this down a bit. Translate. Okay, what's happening here? This should be like this. Yeah, I wonder why that moved. I might have moved that by mistake, but never mind. Okay. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, that worked. That's fine. So we got that working. And then also what we could do with this one, we did the top bit, but we didn't do the back, as you can see there. So comes down. Okay. Let's see the other one. What happened here? We did it. Ah, I see. So yeah, we can start adding that. Curve. That's fine. Now from there, we could have it shooting back and down, and maybe rotate. There, let's see that. Yeah, so we're getting that push back. You're getting that push. And then we come here, we can just continue the curve, move it forward, try to get some nice arcs, and maybe even the end pose, you know, move that in a bit. Try and get some nice arcs like that, and then copy that to the end. Oops. Copy it to the end. So you're getting that. And then we can go in between and start creating more nice curves just to get the arc working nicely. Maybe have this go up. You can just, you know, it's pretty endless what you can do here. You can just you can end up doing it on each frame if you wanted to. So you got that arcs working there. We've got it on the top view as well. You know, there's a bit of curves happening. Yeah, you got that torso moving as well. Might be a bit might be exaggerated a bit more, but we'll keep it in there. Yeah, and then we've got the head, so we've got the neck. Yeah, neck and the head. Okay, so as it hits, we'll just go down a little bit, and then it comes up, and then it hits again, down a little bit. And then we middle click the front and the back. And then we'll go to neck. Let's go to neck. And then we can just delete the middle ones here and just have a little ease in. So we'll get these controls here and just ease in the neck. And then we'll do the same with the head. We'll get the head. Okay, let's do the head. The head hasn't been keyed, but it's key here. Copy 0 to 12 because that's the next contact. And then it goes down and then back up. Yeah, that makes more sense. That curve like that. Okay, and we can try something out here. Why don't we, every time there's an impact, it's a hard impact. Let's see how that works. Yes, adding that bit of movement to the head, you know. There's that poof, 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 right? Yeah, you're getting that kind of. I'm just trying to see if we can exaggerate. Let's look at this. This is the chest translations. Let's bring it all the way down, innit? That's too much. What about up? Okay, that's fine. You know, you need to push the poses here and there. Okay, let's tone it down a little bit. And also, you know what? Let's come in here. Let's tone down the left to right. So we come here. Let's play it. Let's just tone it down a little bit. See, you can play around. You can tone it down wherever you like. This was before. Bit of side to side. Tone it down a little bit. Completely up to you, you know. It's a nice vanilla walk there you got. And you know, you can add and animate all the extra stuff. You've got a bag here. In fact, where's the bag? Let's come in here and delete. And key at the start, key at the end. Okay, let's try this. So as it lands, there's obviously going to be impact. Bag goes up in the air. Then it goes calm again. Then we'll copy that impact to 15. So every 3 frames there's that, right? You've got that. And then you can offset that. Then you come in here, cycle it. If you want, you can move it that up. Actually, we'll leave it there because it's going to mess with the. We'll move this 1, 2 frames, so there's a delay. So there, see, there's a little delay there. As it lands, there's a delay, and then you can animate all the little details there. But for now, you've got that nice vanilla walk, so you can build on this. So I would build on this. You know, you could have, you know, right here, you could get the control. Z control. Okay, and then as is running, you know, you just by changing the back, you can, there's different personalities you can create, see? So there's so many variations you can do, and then you can slow down the timing, select everything, slow it down, make it faster, blah, 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 you know. Let's see now. Come here, so say if we go to 2450, right? Okay, grab everything, grab everything, put it to half that. So you got that. And 15. So let's say 15. There's a bit of cycling issues, but you know, you could do 15 ways, like just running like that with both arms back. You could change that around. You know, you could zero out. Let's zero this out. Yeah, zero that out. You could pretty much have that superhero where he's just like back like this, out of the fist position, you know, and just running like that. What's this, man? Let's put that to. Yeah, you could just, you know, do like that, you know, it's running like that. So play around with it. Wow, so many variations you can do. And the timing there. But yeah, there's this, you know, play around. That's the vanilla walk. I just really like this rig, man. I think it's really cool. You know, you can do all kinds of stuff with it. Let's get the timing back. Yeah, 24. Yeah, so that's nice. So we can play blast this. So let's play blast this, check it out. So here's a little play blast. And yeah, it's something to build on, man. You can add stuff. Just, it's always good to practice these things, you know, mechanics. So you're always doing it every day. It's brilliant. It's like, you know, that, I don't know if you're a huge fan, but I'm a huge fan of Eminem, and you know, and I read Rick Rubin's book, The Creative Way, I believe it's called. And Eminem, all he does every day, he just writes. He writes. It could be anything, but he's writing. And they asked him, why are you just writing? He goes, because it's keeping me in the habit. You know, just keep on moving the pen, right. Could be anything. Could be just random words, just writing. Same as drawing. You know, I got these drawings that I do there. I'm learning to draw like properly with the Loomis book I got, Andrew Loomis. Yeah, that's Andrew Loomis. Yeah, and you know, just keep on practicing. And the same with animation, you're on there, keep working on and on, you know, short bursts, do the work, get feedback, go back again, rest, go out for a walk, next project, same thing, same cycle. So go in little bursts, you know, and just work on stuff and get constructive feedback, which you can get in the private Facebook group, Maya Animation Mastery. Check that out if you're interested, guys. The course, the link is in the description. You know, a lot of students have enrolled now and they're loving it. Check out the reviews, and I'll see you later in the next video.